Today we are discussing about Eli Whitney and his ingenious invention, the cotton gin. And here's my host, Kayla Carter.
Okay. It was a small box with a spin handle on the side. It was very similar to a typewriter, also a comb-like grid to separate the seeds from cotton.
Eli Whitney was born in Pittsburgh, Massachusetts on December 8, 1825. He was also an American inventor. He helped strengthen the economic foundation of slavery, whether he intended to or not.
The cotton gin was a machine that quickly and easily separated the cotton fibers from seeds. Slaves that had to remove the seeds by hand took hours in one day. A slave by average can clean about 1 pound of cotton, but with the cotton gin, one slave can clean about 50 pounds of cotton each day.
The American cotton production skyrocketed from 1.5 million pounds in 1790 to 85 million pounds in 1810. But that's just saying things. Get real.
Here are some examples of what the cotton gin looked like and what it was used for.
Alright, I'm pretty sure that was much better because it's zoomed in and all that yada yada junk.